Simple.
As far as what we're going to need.
Okay. Save him. See that nasty shit in there. Got a couple noobs. What I like, honestly, I like pumping him. Like I said, we're not going crazy. I like pumping him full of shit. Then we're fucking ice guarding this bitch. And we're fucking moving on, cousin. Okay? You got the pump juice rolling?
Pump juice getting rolling.
Okay, Cruz. I like the tip, buddy. Is you go stiff? Pump it full of shit here.
Pump that old tube in there, just out inside somewhere.
Yeah.
We might see some black, but ain't no water getting past that shit.
There we are. There, was that a seam? Yeah, over there. Same thing down through here. Oh, way. Why not? Hit him while we're at it. And then the same guy here, we're gonna hit him.
That ain't gonna hurt.
I'm gonna hit this whole fucking seam, dude. There. Hit that nail hole there. Same thing here. Hit that nail hole. Yeah, gimme. Hit that nail hole. Gimme. Right here, all the way up through here. Same on that. There we go. We're here not to come back, guy. Put the fucking thing in. There we go. And this guy back where she was.
Getting low.
Fucking around here, dude. Same thing there. Caulk him real good, all the way through here. Right there. Ain't fucking with this, cuz. Not a shot she's gonna leak, Bucky. Okay. What you gotta do. That whole corner, cock that whole fucking corner in there. Caulk this across there. Get a nail in that, Jake. I got boogers on my shit, right?
A boogie woogie.
No es bueno, mico. Caulk the fuck at these corners here. Right there. Right down that seam. Don't let anything in there. Come on now. Stop it. Come on now.